Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to manage your interests within the Substack app, allowing you to personalize your reading experience by selecting topics that matter most to you. First, open the Substack app on your device. Once it's launched, look for the profile icon at the top right and tap on it. Next, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Then, look for and tap on Manage Interests. Here, you'll find a list of categories such as finance, technology, health, and more. Finally, browse through these categories and tap the like icon next to any topics you're interested in. This action will add them to your personalized feed, ensuring you receive updates on subjects you care about. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.